All right, let's get this electrical out of here. Oh, looks like it's just one 5/16 screw. The panel off. Already confirmed we got no power. Looks like 2 screws. All of them loose. Boy, those weren't very tight. Very tight at all. Larger one's the 60, the smaller one is the 30. And let's get our grounds cut. I'm not going to worry about an Allen wrench there. Looks like they just put both of the grounds together. I already got my low voltage pulled. I hate when they do that. Unspin those. They're separated a little bit more, looks like. Let's see, the one we really care about is, there we go. I won't bore you too much more with this. I'm just going to take the grommets loose down here, and then I'll pull the blower up here, and I'll get this thing yanked out.